there's a tip for you too. If you're getting ready to replace your carpet in your house, you get anything like this, and this isn't even white, by the way. This is kind of an off color, and lots of times when you go and pick out carpet, your carpet samples are usually only a square. You look at it in a book, you think, oh yeah, that's fine, and then they come out with the big old huge roll, they unroll it, and you think, my God, that's not the same stuff that I ordered. That's way too white. And you look at the sample, sure enough, it's the same carpet. So there's a tip for you. When you get carpet, when you pick out a color, it always comes out whiter, a lighter color, when you unroll it and put it in your house. Okay? And the same, what is it? On walls though, on painted walls, when you get done picking a paint sample, usually the paint sample on a little deck usually comes out, when you paint the entire wall, usually your color turns lighter. Carpet samples, you get the big piece of carpet out, usually it's lighter. Sorry about that. The carpet, your sample, when you unroll your carpet, usually your carpet is lighter. Okay, when you take a paint sample and you put it on a wall and you got it in a paint deck, know that once you put it on the wall, it's going to come out darker. Yes, it's going to come out darker. See these two walls, for instance? It almost looks like, well, I guess no. It almost looks right here, from here to here. It almost looks like there's two colors there, right? Well, there's not two colors. Newsflash, those two colors are the same. And it's hard to see that once you get up close to the wall, because of the shadow. Now, granted, up above, that ceiling is white, that's white. But down here, it's actually the same color. Isn't that weird? How shadows do things. Because I have that door open. Look at this wall here, over here. Looks like there's two paint colors right in here, huh? See? That's because you get shadows on the wall and it makes your walls darker. Now, granted, here's a green wall here, but up in the corners it looks darker than the middle. Well, I've got light on here too, but in shadows it comes up darker. Okay? Isn't that weird how that works? All these walls in here are the same color, but from here you would think this wall is a different color than that wall, but it's all the same color. That's how the light acts different. See, here you got the same thing, because the sun's coming in, it's shining on this wall more than that wall, or it might be casting a shadow more in there than over here, because the sun's coming this direction right now through this window. Okay, so different things. You kind of got me off track here. Okay, what this job was all about was finishing up putting my my grease on the hinges. Okay, but I wanted to show you how important it is to prep the areas first, and prepping meaning putting the masking tape down on the carpet. Okay, don't forget to do that. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.